It's been a long time since my last video that I bring some tutorials for Blender and these small 3D animations with Blender. But I'm trying to do some game development stuff and just work on some Unity games, and also meanwhile I have learned something new, that you can build games with React actually. So when it comes to React, I am very familiar with the React because as a profession I am a web developer, so I have more experience on React. But this building a 3D application for web with the React is something new for me. So I have just went through this their official tutorial websites, and saw a lot of new cool things we can do with React Tree Fiber. But what I really wanted to know how much I can use it to build a game. So I came up with the project. So it is called Project Rev. It's a code name. So currently it's a work in progress. This is like a website I'm trying to build, a fan website. So trying to create a story and also characters, and you can see some of the work, like current work progress of the project here. But this is not like published, but I'm planning to publish it soon. But what I really wanted to show you is for React Tree Fiber, while I'm working on a game, I have identified there's a issue, there's a lack of using NPC system. Like when it comes to Unity, you know, there's a Navmesh. You can use Navmesh, it's in build, or you can purchase some advanced one in the Unity store. But when it comes to React Tree Fiber, there isn't much of support. But there are like many Navmesh systems available, but nothing can integrate into a game, React Tree Fiber game, easily. So I wanted to make it like that. So for that I'm use yuka.js, so and use its functionality to React Tree Fiber, and this project is all about that, and you can easily integrate it into your React Tree Fiber game. So it's kind of like it's following you player, or you can make your non-playable characters walk around your map. So for that, first of all, I will like to show you my repository. It is now open source. You can use this for your project, and also you can do update and build your own one. It's up to you. So if you go through this project, you can see there's a sample project already there. I'm going to explain that also. When it comes to sample, and after sample project, I have add some instructions, and also how to start this project. Everything is there. If I miss anything, like while you trying to build this project, if you miss anything, please let me know. I will update it. But anyway, I think I have covered most of the part. But if this video will be helpful for you to start this project, and if you are also not really interested to read this. So first of all, I will show you how to get this project. Like you can search React Tree and React Tree NPC on GitHub, or you can go to React. I have a npm package link also here. You can use this. So, React Tree Fiber, or you can go to it will be easy for you. Go to NPC, and sorry, that's not npm. So again wrong, npm, and then here you can search React Tree NPC. Okay, and this is like etc dash React Tree NPC. you can get this package for your React application. So before that I will I'll as well, like I will go through the instructions. You can see you maybe need this yuka, because this is built top of yuka. If you don't know what is yuka, it is if you search yuka.js, you can see it is actually a library developed for games. So you can create a lot of interactions, like your non-playable character, mainly your non-playable characters. You can use this yuka to do the animation, do the functionality of your non-playable character. So you will need this and also React React. So anyway, you have to create your React project. So if you can go to the React official website and find out how to use this React Fiber. And after that if you go to this same package, you can see this here, the Rapfire. This Rapfire is like one of physics engine for React Fiber, and also Sust, and it's a state manager. And again, so if you're going to install, you have to use this npmi install to your project. So it's like a basic stuff you already know. So I will show you, like in here I have created the one sample project. You can go to my NPC React NPC GitHub page and click sample project and go to this project. So after that you can add this, you can clone this project and it will look like this. So when it come to here, I will go through the code by code how it's happening. Like most of the things I explain in the documentation or the readme file. And so first of all, you have to make sure that Node.js, you have to load your Navmesh. So here you can see I have loaded my Navmesh. Navmesh is something like I will show you example. I will show you. Yeah. So this is one of the recast navigation JSON. One of other guys that this person Isaac Mason, he wanted to build a similar kind of the Navmesh library, and it's really cool. It's working fine. It's working well with Tree.js, but I had some difficulty just to add it to the React Fiber. But anyway, it is really a great library. You can check this. And another thing is, he have developed that Navmesh generator website. It is really easy and helpful tool for you to generate Navmesh for your model. So you can like you can see you can add the object. This is like default object, or you can create your own using Blender. But like when it comes to here, like you have to only generate here. You can just change this value, and you see this yellow color area. That's where that area that mark for your non-playable character to move. So you can export this and import it to your React file application. So in that case, if I go to code again, you will see I have this module folder and Navmesh. So it is it's not viewable here, but I think I will be able to. Yeah, it is something like this. It is not a very detailed thing. You can just draw. Like what I did was, like I have a ground area, so I put some mesh on top of it and just draw here that these areas, that empty areas, are like a rock. So trees that a non-playable character should not move inside. So those are the areas that here, and white color areas are the where character can move. So this also I generate using I created using Blender, and then I put it here and generated the mesh. So if you have this, then you have to add it to your yuka.js file in a canvas. On create, you have to load this Navmesh. So for that we have use Navmesh. So if you know this, if I tell you about this use Navmesh is like, sorry, it is a Reactory NPC that in my package there's a use Navmesh, and you can use this Navmesh, and there are several actions you can use, and from this one of them will load Navmesh. So with that you will load your Navmesh to your application. And then when it come to other area that you can use this Navmesh, and see inside the scene I have created a character controller. So you can build your own character controller, but in here I am using easy controller. It is I will show you. This is the easy controller GitHub repository. I will provide these URLs in description section on the video. So if this is like, there are like a lot of good documentation here. You can go through it and set up it here, and also there's some project files, you can try it out, and it is really cool. It is really easy to add it to your React Fiber project. So in here you can see I have added this easy controller like this, and also the assets. So I'm not going to explain more. You can go to the documentation and add it. Is really easy to use. And then what I did was like I created this enemies component. Here you can see this enemies component, and I added in physics. So this physics is a user file, as I mentioned. So inside the physics I added the enemies, because I'm also using physics with this enemy characters. So I added this enemies inside the physics one, and then if you go to enemies, you will see I have used several React NPC setups as configurations here. So I will go one by one. First what I did was I create a state here, and then make enemies like I make it a set enemies and also enemies and few details. Like these are like configuration options for React tree. So Navmesh agent. So here you can see I have Navmesh agent, so I have to pass it here. So I have defined those. You can add any one, but make sure you make this enemies name enemy, make it the same naming, and also agent ID should be unique. So make sure those things and others are fine. I will explain later what are these values. So after that you can go to here I make enemy list. Reason I created like this because I want to destroy enemies and also add more enemies to the game. So that's why I created like this. And then I created enemy list here and passes this enemy inside the enemies. You can see I use this Navmesh agent. It is very important one. This is where all this configuration I have to do for this agent. So it's enemy. So when it come to I pass these values now, I mentioned here this all values I will pass down to this Navmesh agent. And here you can see name is like I should say it should be enemy, so it's identify system that as this is the enemy. So currently it's only support enemy, but I am planning to like do more things and add more other kind of non-playable characters. So when it come to position is the starting position, and agent ID is the unique ID for the enemy, and also Navmesh point is like a roaming point, so your enemy will roam around the map, and I put some point 3 points there, so it is like it's moving so as cycle, so from first to third and then again to first, and just like that it's repeating. So and max force is like it's give how many acceleration you can give when enemy came to one point and move to the other point. So max speed is like how fast it will move between this point. And color, it's kind of, it's not mandatory, just I use for testing purpose, but anyway you can pass any color situation. I want to like add the box there and see how it's working, so that's why it's here. And also remove mean just make the system know that this enemies in the system or it is removed from it. So you have to make it, you can before add it, or also if you make it removed true, then it will stop the player, like it's not moving, it's pro and over. You can make it false again and it will move, so you can do that, something like that. And also blast visible, it is something like I have used for blasting, but it's currently under development, still working on that, so I'm not going to show much, but you can follow my Twitter account, and you can check more details, more update on this system. And after that, all these enemies I have added to the enemy list here, and into the application, and also use manager. So manager is, you have to put everything on inside this manager, so it's how it's working. And it's like all this Navmesh control and NPC system work under the manager. So and other than that, I have used the Navmesh convex. It is for like debug, so I will show you how it's working. Okay, you can see, so this is the these players like enemies, and if I go inside here, it will follow you. So currently it's not stopping, but you can make it stop, like it's really hard to catch this one, but anyway if you go inside this circle, it's a collision area, then it will follow you. So that's the one way, and it will walk around and follow, so you can't see any other things. But if you go to this Navmesh convex and make it true and save it, you will see this is the Navmesh that I used to navigate, like these characters navigate around it. So as your example, if now the character detect me, and if I go inside it, you can see it's not coming inside this box, it's going around. So it is like how it's working. And yes, so it is, you can do the configurations here and to make a speed, those kind of things. I will explain in the later how to do that. So when it come to here, that all you have to do, like it's really simple. You first have to add this load Navmesh here, and then inside the make sure that I create a new enemies component here and put it in the under the physics, and there's a control also here. And then when it come to enemies, you can see I have created this use state for with the objects of enemy, object array of enemy. Then each enemy have different kind of values, and it's moving and speed and everything. Currently I'm planning to like add more things to here, but for now this will be enough for your small game. And then again it's a Navmesh enemy list, and everything is here, and especially you have to use a Navmesh. It is the agent that make this enemy around. So you can see this is the enemy around. You can add any character here. So as example, I maybe can show, I will comment it out. And I'm not sure it's will work, but I haven't tried, but let's see. So I add this ninja character to the enemy. Okay, that's sometimes it's happening because it's different loading time. Okay, it's not there. The reason is like you have to make sure one thing, you have to use this a clone. So it is something I have mentioned in my my documentation. You can go here. Okay, here I have mentioned we have to make one thing. If I go down here, not there. Can't find it here. Yeah, this one. You have to make sure this thing. I especially make it because you have to make sure this use this skeleton utility clone function to make it clone. Otherwise, it will not create like it will not interact accordingly. So I will add this one. I will have to do this and also this one. I will put it in this ninja character and you will understand what I'm doing. So here I will add it here, this part, and add this node. Without node you have to make it C, so you don't have like that. And also import this use memo and use graph. Okay, I think now it should work, hopefully. Yeah, you can see now that character moving. So currently it's not animating, but you will understand if you are studying more about the React Fiber how to animate this. Like you can make it like trigger points, like if you detect a different kind of animation, maybe shooting, those kind of things. So I'm currently working on how to add the shooting things, how to make the enemy shoot to the direction he's looking at. So something I'm working on, so we'll update you once it's finished. So this is like large, you can make it small and adjust it accordingly. So other thing I need to show you is like when it comes to scene, here I have used one thing. It's a hack log. I try to find get rid of the set interval and more optimized way. Not sure this is a really good way to handle this, but for now it will work like this. Like if you have more like if you have better options, like better idea, better suggestion, please let me know in the comment section. I would like to update my library according to that. So here what I have done is set the interval here and make sure like every 2000 millisecond it will execute this function. What it doing is like it getting this player position. So what is a player position is like I am created this ref and a control rigid body, so it's getting the physics rigid body location as a object and reference, and also from here you can get the current position using this current translation. So it's a player position I am getting, and then action I can set position, so it will set the position to move like it make every 2000 millisecond it's will tell your detected players to the enemies that detected player can move to this position. So it's kind of like that. So it is something currently working on to optimize this one, but anyway it's working fine for now. And yeah, that's all about this system. So if I go back to my information, I have provided all this information to set up these things and code snips and everything is there. And yeah, you can contribute this one, and if you have any questions you can reach me using LinkedIn or Twitter. It's better if you can message me on Twitter, and just I will put more update here also. And so I'm thinking about to continue on my game, so I just spend a lot of time to like do the documentation and prepare it to the package. I hope this will be useful for you. I really love to know your feedbacks and also see some games that use this NPC systems. It is open and you can do anything with that. So that's all about me. I will come give more update on my game, and also about the new packages I'm going. So my plan is like while building the game I try to make everything available for everyone. So that's my vision. So I think about it. So please let me know, and also subscribe my YouTube channel if you don't, and please let me know your feedback. It's really helpful for me to grow. So thank you very much. Have a nice day.